Hi my people, hi everyone, you are highly welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video we are gonna be concentrating on stretch mark. Okay, now there are different ways that stretch mark just appears on individual skin. Okay, it depends on your skin color. Some people might say their stretch mark is white, some people might say theirs is black, some people might say theirs is purple. Like, trust me, all of that stuff. But in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a very simple ingredient that will help you to remove stretch mark, especially from your hands. Okay, and you can also apply it any other place in which you are experiencing that. And you know, the secret to this natural home remedy is consistency. So you have to give it a little time to work and you are going to be seeing the result. Okay, now let me walk you through into this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and then let's go. To vanish stretch mark from your hands, butts and your stomach, you're going to be needing to use saint leaf, guys. Okay, now saint leaf contains an ingredient that helps to trigger the skin, and it also helps to, you know, firm it up. Okay, mixing it with other ingredients that I'm going to be introducing to you would help so much to vanish stretch mark, and it will make your skin really smooth. Also it will also lighten up the stretch mark area. Yeah, so this is how we're going to be doing it. So we're going to be plugging out some of this leaf. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be pounding this. Okay, to do that I'll have to be putting just a little bit of water to enable me pound it, because I have this very small tiny blender mortar. Then I'll have to pound it. Okay, alright, so after pounding it, then I would have to be putting a little more water. So now you would have to make sure that, you know, you get the juice by pressing the saint leaf. Okay guys, so this is saint leaf. Before you start asking me at the comment section what leaf is that and all of that, so then you have to sieve it out. And this is how it is. Yeah, alright, so the next ingredients we're going to be needing for this will be aloe vera. Now aloe vera is a great remedy that works wonders in eradicating the dryness of the skin. It also helps for irritated skin. It helps to moisturize the skin, and it's also great for stretch mark. It lightens up the skin, and it's a great remedy for hair and skin. So what we're going to do is that I'm going to be putting in a good amount of this aloe vera into this, and since my aloe vera is almost finished, I'm gonna try to turn that in about 2 tablespoons of thereabouts, enough to go round. And now we'll then have to mix this. And make sure they mix really well. Okay, so you're going to be having this dark greenish lotion, and this is how it is here. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing for this will be lemon. Now lemon is citric in nature, and it also helps to eradicate blemishes from the skin. It contains vitamin C that helps to make the skin look lighter and brighter, and it also helps to remove stretch mark. Mixing it up with all those natural ingredients would help it work really well. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be cutting the lemon and then I have to be squeezing in about ½ teaspoon of that lemon into this mix, and also mix it well. Yeah, not too much, but enough to go round, and stir it all up. Now the consistency of this lotion is going to get loosened just like here. And then the next ingredient is going to be shea butter. Now shea butter is actually very important for the skin. Okay, it helps to make the skin smooth, it helps to leave the skin looking young, and it also make your skin brighter. It helps to remove stretch mark, pigmentations, and it's also an almighty remedy for stretch marks. Okay, so mixing it all up like this, guys, you are going to be getting your results. Okay, so we're going to be putting a few of that. Now you can actually put more than this. Okay, and you have to get original shea butter. Original shea butter is actually what you'll be needing. And yeah, guys, you know that there are different phases of stretch marks. There are new stretch marks, which are, you know, those ones that does not look black. There are old stretch marks also, and there are some stretch marks that actually looks really black, and there are some that has this other color. Depending on your skin color, that's how you get to experience your own stretch marks. Okay, so we're also going to be needing to use coconut oil. Now coconut oil is a vast oil that helps for the skin, for the hair, and for the body. Yeah, so mixing it up with this ingredient will help so much to get rid of stretch marks, and it will also help to retain the skin oiliness, and it's not going to dry out the skin. Okay, so putting this in here will make this ingredient really soft and mix really well. So after putting that in, then we'll have to be mixing it all up, and you're going to get this great ingredient in the comfort of your home. And trust me, if you have stretch mark, like old stretch mark, You also have to give this ingredients a little time to work, okay? So it's something you can make just like this, and then you store it, okay? Alright, so after doing that, then you have to turn it into a container. And this is it, guys. Okay, this is your stretch mark lotion. Alright, so if you have stretch mark on your hands around here, yeah, you can see how mine is. So you can grab your stretch mark lotion, take a whole good quantity, and then you apply. Now when you apply it, you're going to notice that it's going to be is like an oil based lotion. Yes, so you apply a whole a generous amount or generous quantity of this, yeah, and then you scrub it in a circular motion just like this. Scrub it in a circular motion like that. So you have to do this every day, okay? Anyways, you know that when you're using cream, you have to use it every day. So when you're using this particular one, you have to use it every day. In fact, you have to use it morning and night for the space of at least 1 month, and then you begin to see a whole lot of improvements, okay? It's actually going to begin to improve really well, and your skin is going to be really flawless and smooth, and you are going to be loving it, yeah? Alright, so for this, guys, you can actually store it in the refrigerator, or you can store it like that. It's actually not going to go bad even if you store it like that, okay? And then you continually rub it all through, and look at my skin, look at how it is, yeah? Look at my hands, look at this way, okay? And it's lovely, it is great. So that's it, guys. Scrub out that stretch mark just like the way I've showed you, and your result is going to be very visible. You can see my body, I really don't have stretch mark because I use these things. Like, I literally use it every day, and it has been working for me. My skin is not like too special, but it's because I have been taking care of it and been applying all of those things, and that's why you see me glow, baby, you know. Okay, so if you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and stay stretch markless. Bye guys.